So one is definitely, which is my pet subject, is to segregate your garbage
Hmm.
and to give what you can to recycle. And my famous line has been buy less,
Hmm.
need less, and use less,
Hmm.
so that you're not creating more garbage. So I would say, but if you are over consuming, then definitely segregate the dry and the wet. Do composting with your wet. You can really, really contribute to a better earth by just this practice.
Right.
And if you start also some farming on your own terrace, all your wet waste, even the vegetable waste, can all go and become compost. All you have to do is cut everything in small pieces and compost it. It's amazing. And when you see this becoming earth again, I think all those things give you great satisfaction.
Yeah.
Great satisfaction.
Yeah.
So I would, the second thing I would say to be sustainable is to look to nature
Hmm.
for solutions
Hmm.
and see what would be the best thing with nature as the main hero,
Right.
and go organic. That all goes without saying. And I think the thing to be sustainable, if you're stress free,
Hmm.
so to find a philosophy in life that there's stress for everybody, but how to deal with that stress.
Hmm.
So if you know how to deal with that, then you won't get into alcohol, smoking, you know, all that contributes to being, then, just generally, and you won't become a nuisance to society. Then you need health care. I mean, it's crazy the way things can go.
Hmm.
You can have nervous breakdown and, get into so many people in depression.
Yeah.
So getting sunshine, all that helps. So I know I'm not really answering exactly for being sustainable, but this all helps us in being whole human beings.
Right.
And when you get into nature and farming and things, you automatically become
Absolutely.
sustainable. There's no
Yes.
way you will not be able to
Yeah.
be.
Yeah. You
You'll
just.
realize if you leave a plastic on the soil. My farm till today,
Hmm.
when the rain comes, there's plastic that comes with it, and all that I do at my farm is pick plastic till today. It's very sad, but sometimes I'm digging into the soil. I'll see a little plastic string I dig out, and a long plastic string comes out. That's how much we are engraved in plastic.